Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Bustamante Highway, and unfortunately this road is probably the most dangerous road in Jamaica. It has the most fatal crashes or persons having fatal incidents on this road. This single road has more crashes and fatal accidents than any other road in Jamaica. Now, this is Bustamante Highway. It's in the parish of Clarendon, and June is actually Road Safety Month, and May of 2022 actually had the most road fatalities than any other month this year. So one of the main reasons persons have identified for fatal accidents is speeding. And as you can, I don't see anything in part. Well, the road is kind of straight, though. To the left and to the right, the soft shoulder is practically non-existent. Well, I'm not sure, but they say speeding is one of the main reasons for road fatalities in Jamaica. Another reason is pedestrians stepping out into the road and just crossing at any point. Instead of the pedestrians waiting till the road is clear, the pedestrians just step out and expect the traffic to slow down. Another reason is overpacking of vehicles. Another reason is bad tires. Another reason is persons not obeying the road code. But they said the main reason is speeding. And this highway takes you from Maypen to Old Harbour. And there are a lot of other routes you can take. You can take the highway, but this road unfortunately has the record for the most fatal accidents. And when you think about it, Mandela Highway on the outskirts of Kingston is the busiest road in Jamaica, and this road has more fatal accidents. The busiest intersection in Jamaica is Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road in Kingston, and this road has more accidents than there. So we're coming up to the roundabout now, where when we reach up there we'll talk about it, but you can access the highway from that roundabout. You can go onto the Maypen bypass and you can go into Maypen. And this road is named after Sir Alexander Bustamante. He was a former Prime Minister of Jamaica. On the left is the Mineral Heights community. Alright, at this intersection we turn left here, we head towards the highway. We go turn left here, we go onto the Maypen bypass. Turn left here, we go into the town of Maypen. And turn left here, we go on to the Bustamante Highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.